What do you want me to show you? I'm delivering your hair now. So I'm checking the cargo shipper. Wait. Is it this one? Maybe it's not. I'm delivering your hair now, so you can see we are very busy. Very busy. Can you see? Everything is very busy. Every day I deal with these guys. We ship hair worldwide. We ship the goods worldwide by cargoes, DHL, UPS, FedEx. Every day is very busy like this. It's very good to me. I like it. I'm just showing you how we work here. No. That's why some people contact me. They say sometimes I reply messages very late. As you can see how we work here. Everything is very busy here. Yeah, I'm giving the package to them now. They're writing the invoice. In 2 days you can receive the package. Yes, you can contact them.
I like it. 23.
Right.